Morning, y'all. Bobby Stein here. I found some footage, some drone footage from August of 2025 that I haven't posted, so I went ahead and stitched it together. And it's drone footage of the south end of Greenville. So I just took off from the walking trail and crossed Broadway, South Broadway, and I'm flying over South Greenville now. That is South Theobald on the left, and then on the extreme left, that is South Broadway. Continuing on at 2 o'clock, that is South Gloucester Street. And we're continuing on over South Greenville. In the upper left, you can see Lake Ferguson, part of Lake Ferguson. And we're still going over South Greenville. Now that is part of the walking trail, and that's Lake Ferguson on the right. Looking out towards the river, out towards the Mississippi River. And then we're turning to the east. And that is the parking area for the walking trail right in the middle of the screen. And you can see where South Broadway curves. And we're coming on the low-income apartments at Highway 82 West and Broadway, which are being torn down now currently. That's Broadway, and now we're coming up to the intersection of South Broadway and Highway 82 West. And you get a pretty good picture of the Welcome Center. I think that was brought to Greenville after the World's Fair in 1984. I'm sort of lost here. Okay, we're back in South Greenville. That's the Greenville Water Tower. And then to the left of it, you can see the old Hotel Greenville. And to the left of that, you can see the old First National Bank building, which is now called the Icon Building. And we're looking over downtown Greenville. Down around 7 o'clock, those are the new apartments on South Broadway that were built that are holding up good. They're really nice. It looks like the workmanship was really good. You can see the new federal courthouse being there, and you can see the Trop Casino around 1 o'clock, and then, of course, Lake Ferguson. And that's the smokestack from the old Chicago mill that used to be at that location. Big industry for a long time in Greenville. And you can see up around 12 o'clock, that's the Mississippi River. You can see part of that as we pan around Lake Ferguson. The fuel tanks are the Transmontane Company. They've been there a long time. And I assume that business has been bought and sold several times. I think that's part of the walking trail. That's the old Corps of Engineers building. Greenville sure has a lot of trees. I didn't realize we had so many trees. This is looking down Highway 82 West. That's the Pentecostal Lighthouse Church, I think. and then we'll scan up. You can see the Double Quick or the old Sefco and the road that goes out to the industrial park over the levee. What I'm looking for is, well, let's see, this is, I think this is Lake Manor. This is sort of where I get lost, but this is somewhere around Lake Manor. We're panning on around. Panning on around. Okay, those are the Mark II apartments on Cypress Lane. And then there's Riverbend Apartments. And then next to that is Village Green Apartments. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the Cypress Preserve, but there's so many trees there it's hard to find. So this was the first location I took off from. This is me headed back for a landing. That's Lake Ferguson up there again. And that gives you a partial view of the walking trail. So I just landed. Okay, and I'm not sure where that house is. I'm thinking it's right off Wildwood on top of a hill, but I'm not sure. If anybody could help me out, I sure would appreciate it. Then panning over the trees. And that is Wildwood right there. I believe that's is it the Covenant Presbyterian Church? And this is flying over the Lake Manor area. Okay, you can see the Mark II apartments there and sort of towards the back. And I'm just panning around. So I'm over Terrace Gardens now. So the second place I went to was right next to the intersection of Bowman and South Main. Right next to Sherman's on South Main. I was in the parking lot there. So that's Mediacan Elementary School. And I'm trying to go on back further. And it was about this point I started getting some interference between me and the drone. So that's East Terrace Gardens. On the upper right is the Greenville Mall. So I started to come back and land. That's Mediacan again. That's Bowman Boulevard right behind Mediacan. Look at all the trees, y'all. So I'm on the way back to Sherman's at South Main to land. I'm just panning around. There's the Covenant Presbyterian Church again. And this is taken off from Sherman's at South Main in their parking lot. That's looking at Terrace Gardens and South Main. And that's the intersection of Bowman and South Main, also Cypress Lane. That's where Cypress Lane starts. So I'm cruising down over South Main looking at Terrace Gardens. It was a beautiful day that day. Nice and cool on an August day. So that's about it, folks. I hope y'all enjoyed, and we will see you next video.